Okay, so what you want to do to start learning with WeVideo is you want to go to your browser, search up WeVideo, and you want to go to number one online video editor. And so here you want to sign up. So what you need to know is what you need to have is you have to have an email. So I'm going to enter my first name and last name. This is a fake first name and last name. So here I'm gonna enter my email. You could use your email or so the password for the email is not your email's password. The password is the password for this website. So you can make up a password, any password that you want. So I made my password and I'm going to click the sign up button. Sign up for WeVideo. So I want to press update because I don't want to lose my password if I forget it or something. Continue, start creating, skip, and press video. So here you can choose from horizontal, vertical, or square. I'm going to start with horizontal, and I would press start editing. So that's just how you start up. Now you want to drag and drop your media. So you could press add, browse to select, and then you would go and then select any clip that you want. So I'm gonna select this. So now that I have my clip over here, let's say I want another clip. I'm like now, oh no, I can't, there's no browse to select option. So what you want to do is you want to right click over here with your mouse, press import here, then press browse to select. Then there you go, you can go back here again. So I'm actually gonna just add a picture of fruits just for a demonstration. So there we go. So now you want to add your clip to the tray, like to the editing panel, or yeah, whatever you want to call it. Let's say you want to cut clips in the middle. So let's say you have your clips and you want to cut the clips. So you can press cut. You can drag this to the side and drag this anywhere else. So now let's say I want some audio, and then of course you can press Control Z to go back. So now let's say I want some audio. So I would click audio. Let's go with inspiration mega music. So now I have audio. Now I have the audio for this and the audio for this. But there's one problem. The audio seems like it's taking over the person's voice over here. So what you want to do is on this audio track, on the left of it, there's going to be a corresponding bar that you can move down and up the volume. So I'm going to move the volume down to 50.
Hello, testing, test.
So now you can hear the person a lot better. I suggest going a lot lower.
Testing.
If you want, so I would suggest, yeah, just dragging this a lot lower.
Testing.
So there's your audio. So now if you want to add any transitions, you could select cross zoom, drag it. So you would drag this and then you would drop this on top of your video. So you could either put it on top, like at the start of the video or at the end of the video. So I'm gonna put it at the start of the video. So now in this panel you can see the video. So now let's check it out. So you see that effect? That was this effect. So you can choose from a library of effects, and their backgrounds, I don't think you're gonna need a background. Even if you put one on, it's gonna be really weird. It's gonna go over your clip. So I don't think you want a background. Um and the only problem here is because you have a free one, you can't use text. when you're gonna finish your thing, you can't use text. So we're not gonna use text. What you could do is you could go to snipping tool. If you really wanted text, if you really wanted text, you're like, hey, I really want text. You could go to Notepad and then type your text test. I think this will be a little complicated. You can skip this part if you don't want to, but if you really want text, then you could write test over here, and then you could you could open snipping tool or your snipping application, press new, go around test like this. You could save it in, so I'm gonna save it to my desktop test. So now that I saved it to my desktop, I can go back here, press my media, like I said, import here, browse to select, go to my desktop test, and here's my title. Now I can drag and drop my title. So what I could do is I could drag this over here, then I could take this clip and move it, put this back down, join these, put the transition back. Okay, let's say you're done now and you want to cut this clip. There's so much of excess waste that we don't need this music, okay? So you could go here, press this cut button where you want to cut it, cut the audio, press the cut button. So now the audio is in two parts. This is one part and the other one is one part. So you could take the audio and then just click on it, press delete. Or you could right click on it and then press delete, either way. Don't use the text over here. It won't let you export it. So you press finish, test 1. You can choose a thumbnail, what you want to have at the start of your video. So I want to do test. And test 1, yeah, it was there. And now we're saving it to, now we're saving this to Camtasia's area, not, and then you can, if you want to save it to your Google Drive, you can sign in here. If you want to do it to your YouTube account, you can sign in here or whatever. If you want to post it there. But right now I'm going to post it on Camtasia. I'm going to press export. So now they're queuing my video to export, and then they're going to send me an email on my account when my video is ready. Okay, so now our video is done exporting. As I can see, my WeVideo video is ready. Let's say you accidentally closed this tab while it was exporting. You can go to your email that you use for WeVideo and then click on the thing they sent you. And now once you're here, you can see your videos over here. So what you want to do now is press download. And as you can see here, I've downloaded it. Well, I like to be organized and put it in my own editing folder. So here's your video now. Now you have your video, and then you can send that to Mataji. So you can do, how you can send this video to Mataji is you can go to your OneDrive, like Office. I'm gonna go to my Office account. So now I can press OneDrive. Then I can drag and drop. I can drag my WeVideo video and drop it over here. So now it's uploading. It's done. Here it is. So you want to wait a little bit or else it's going to re-download. You can wait a little bit for it to just settle down. or else if you keep clicking it, it's gonna keep downloading. So now it's set. Now you see this little 3 tick marks on it. You can click on it. And then you can press share. You can press get a link, copy, and now you can send this link, and then you can right click and do paste, or you can control V, and you can send this link to well, you can go to your, you can compose, send it, like send the link, and then you're done.